Hi guys, welcome back to another episode. For today, I'm going to do a review on very um, unique fragrance, and this is actually by one of the Middle Eastern houses, and they do a lot of clones, a lot of original creations, and this was actually a surprise blind bought, so I'm really surprised in how good it is. It's by the house of Ajmal, and this one is called Haiba. And I think Hayba stands for like prestige. That's the meaning of it. Just go over the box here. It has a logo on here. Um, this is like a 80 milliliters, and it's EDP. Yeah, it keeps kind of give you like a Middle Eastern vibes, and also right until you see the bottle, and it's truly magnificent bottle. Um, yeah, the house has, in my opinion, it has never put me down. Every time I bought something from this house, there tend to be some excellent stuff. The bottle is absolutely gorgeous. I mean, you can get it totally Middle Eastern vibe on this. How nicely the glass is. Definitely can see the juice, like a bright yellowish to orange color. And in the cap is like a it's like Arabic style, and he has this where it comes out. He definitely has the Ajmal signature logo on the here. Atomizer is like a golden. Definitely, you can clip it and you can hold it like that. I mean, that's interesting. And yeah, so on the bottom, all the patches and Ajmal. Definitely a very Middle Eastern looking bottle. I really like it. Yeah, so it's like 80 milliliters, EDPs. What else? Let's do the sample percent for this one. And atomizer is pretty good, so I'm just gonna go one here. It's very strong. I don't know. It's very, it's huge. I mean, load comes from one spray. All right, so for the scent here, it has when you kind of opens this one, it has the rose. Just go over the notes first. Yes, definitely has that rose and saffron, beautiful rose and saffron together, and nutmeg is also joins them on the top when you actually spray this one. So basically, you're getting some of that warm, spicy Middle Eastern vibe. It's definitely Oriental sense. You're getting that beautiful rose. It's beautiful. The warm and the spice at the top, it just carries on through the life of the fragrance, and it's pretty linear too until it gets to the drawdown. I upon the spray, I mean, you are getting as you're getting the rose and saffron. I'm getting a little bit of the like a herby vibes, like a I don't know. It's a patchouli. What is this causing it? There is no letter. I don't get any letter or oat in here. Some people say there is, but I don't get it here. Definitely, there is patchouli there. Maybe it's the patchouli causing that, medicinal vibe. A little bit I get, but you know what? It's not that strong. Doesn't that too annoy and quote you. It's just it is definitely is there. I kind of smell it. But the thing is that for this fragrance, the rose and saffrons is very predominant forces when she carries on, and the later on the base it has sandalwood, kayak wood, it has musk. So basically, it's kind of a woody, musky fragrance with the elements of rose and saffron. That's how we describe this one. So because if you like a rose and saffrons, I mean, saffron is just one of my favorite notes, and you will love this one. It's definitely spicy and warm openings, and as I said, you do get some little bit herby vibes. Maybe it's from patchouli, but definitely it's not that strong. And the saffron smell and the rose, the red nutmeg is clearly masked that the herpes sense. Also, throughout the dry downs, you're definitely getting that the sandalwood, and It gets really stronger there. It gets a little bit kind of sweeter too on the dry downs. Yeah, so it's a very unique sense. One thing is about it is the sense is not synthetic. It's not like it's something to annoy anyone around you. You're definitely gonna get a lot of compliments. This is a truly a Middle Eastern sense. I mean, definitely you are. And the other thing is that if you're putting as is for the sillage, I would say the first 2 hours of sillage is absolutely gorgeous. I mean, what I do, like I put like a two down here, two over here, one in the back, and I could just go one down here. And the sillage is beautiful. You're getting the rose, you just rose and definitely the nutmegs and there is saffron. It's beautiful how they combine on top together, creating that warm, spicy feeling. There's nothing fresh in here. So don't expect that. Definitely, this is good for something like for fall and winter. Definitely a good ones for like events that if you wanna go. I wouldn't recommend this one for office work or daily work. This is something for like a dinner, dates for dinner parties. Something you wanna go outside. Definitely, the longevity is, I would say, at least 6 to 7 hours. Definitely, people can smell you. But the first 2 hours, the projection is massive. It's the kind of vibe that you get. It's like you have entered like a room which has full of like a beautiful red roses. I mean, there and with saffron and nutmeg, spice, and there is a little bit of sweetness comes in. There is nothing animalic. There's nothing like a crazy, like a bad synthetic sense about this. It's very woody at the base and muskies. The longevity is pretty good. Yeah, I don't know why people say there's a wood, but there is. I don't get any wood in here or leather to annoy people. Um, Definitely for the price is actually awesome. I mean, this is smells like it's not with the nice designers. I would say for price like for $40 or something, and definitely for 80 meters, 80 P's, and you can actually rotate between other types of fragrance you have. This can last you for a long time. I mean, the ball design, presentation of the balls, outstanding. It's just truly a Middle Eastern vibes that you get from this. Yeah, it's definitely something that is just under the radar, and I really like it. And this house has done themselves again, and Ajmal produces beautiful creations. Yeah, so just to review, it's just if you like something like a warm, spicy, if you like rose and saffron, um, this is very nicely start toward that direction. It has nutmeg, it gives it that spice of warm, and it gives it some that depth with the nutmeg that helps this for this fragrance. Definitely, this is something that you will feel like a Middle Eastern royalty. There's just definitely it's just that has this Oriental, Middle spicy, Middle Eastern vibes. And if you like those kind of a scent, definitely you're gonna love this one. Yeah, so when it carries on, then you're gonna smell a little of the herby, like it comes in. I think it's the patchouli, and there is a little bit um, of that in this one, and also you're getting some sandalwoods, and the base is just a little bit gets sweeter. Not too sweet or anything gourmand, just a little bit, so it doesn't make the fragrance bitter. There's a musky and woody at the base. Definitely is awesome. I think for the for juice is just an amazing creation by the House of Ajmal. It's actually one of my favorite now. Um, Definitely it's good for night evening outs. Definitely has a good sillage and projections. Longevity is pretty good. The juice is pretty high quality. It's nothing like a synthetic. It's nothing to annoy you. It's definitely one of my favorite Middle Eastern beauties. So if you like Middle Eastern fragrance, definitely try this out. I tell you, the first 2-3 hours, you're just going to love it. The sillage of the rose and saffron, the patchouli, and the woody mace comes in. It's just so down, very nicely blended. Alright, just that was my review of this beautiful fragrance, the Ajmal Hayba, stand for prestige. And yeah, hopefully you like this one. This is actually, I was totally blind bought, and it surpassed my expectations. And for the price, I think does an excellent job. And if you like definitely Middle Eastern fragrance, this is actually a no-brainer. If you like something really spicy, something has woody, something has a good projections and it's beautiful for fall and winter, definitely. But always remember that this is mostly, it's because the saffron and rose are predominant on top toward the rest of the life of the program, or life of the fragrance. It's mostly Middle Eastern vibes. Yeah, and also it is nothing better. You're getting some sweetness, a little bit at the base, and definitely is for grown-up scents. Definitely, you gotta get compliments. Definitely, people are gonna ask you what you're wearing because this is different. Not everybody has this one, and totally beautiful creations. Alright, guys, thanks for watching. Hope you can try this one and let me know if you have it, and it would be nice to get a like and subscribe, whoever watches this one. Alright, thank you, and have a good day. Alright, bye bye.